everybody, this is Donna, and I just got back from a totally incredible relic hunt in a river. I do this every time it rains, and I find tons of pottery. This has got to weigh like 4 pounds, but anyway, it's all crocks. There's broken glass, which I always clean up when I go, and I also met this great gentleman who wants me to metal detect his house, so I'm going to be setting that up as well. That house was built somewhere around 1875, 1879, but I'm going to look at some old maps and figure it out, and we're going to get this place metal detected. But anyway, let's go to this hunt. Good morning. It's Labor Day, and we had a good rain here in New Jersey last night, and the river has gone up and it's gone back down. So I'm here to check out, see if I can find some pottery, glass, any artifacts, and I'll get back to you later. Oh, let's see. Looks like something right here. Yep. Piece of old pottery. Could be a plate, piece of a plate. And so I'll keep looking. And what's this? Looks like a piece of metal, but it's a piece of rock. I don't know, kind of neat. Oh, that's new. I think somebody hit that last week. Let's see. I think that's plastic, but it feels like rock. It could be a semi-precious stone. I'm gonna have to check that out. That's going home with me. And then I saw something else right through here. Oh, just a broken piece of glass. I'm gonna pick that up, get that out of here. Now that's kind of interesting. Let's see. It's just worn. Big nothing. So this piece of glass, it looks kind of thick right here. I don't know. It's kind of thick. There's nothing on it though. It's got some good weight to it. Oh, right there, that looks like it's the bottom of a bottle. Anyway, it's glass. I'll be getting it off the riverbank so that no kids or dogs cut their feet. Do you see it? There's something here. Just a broken bottle, but no telling how old it is until we get it out. Now, I know this wasn't here last week, so, oh, it's pretty thick. Let's rinse this off and see if we can get any manufacturers or embossing on it. No, but it's a nice thickness. And it's not equally thick all the way around, too. Let's see if there's any air bubbles or anything in it. Yes, there are air bubbles in it. You can see some right through there. So this is an older piece of glass. That's pretty cool. But anybody else might just throw it away back on the riverbank, but I'm taking it because this is a sharp piece and somebody's going to get hurt. I'm right where I pulled that broken piece of glass bottle, and something else caught my eye. I haven't even gotten up to it yet. And it's this right here. Looks like it's the top of a bottle. Wow, that's really thick. I just want to be careful so I don't cut myself, but it wouldn't be the first time. Now that looks like it could be from a milk bottle. I don't know. It's pretty thick. And again, no distinguishing marks on it. And I can't tell if there's any bubbles in it. I don't think so. I think this one's molded. So I just found this little rock. This snail was right here. And this looks like it's quartz of some sort. It's fairly translucent, and most of the things around here are covered with rust because we're so rich with iron in the area. So what I'll do is I will soak this in some rust remover. It's acidic, and it should get that off, and it should clean up pretty nice. There, you can really see the translucence right over there. Cool. Just found something in here. It looks like it could be a shotgun casing, but it's really big. So I don't know what it is. What the heck is that? It's got some good weight to it. Oh, is it a piston? I don't know. No, it wouldn't have a rubber bushing. That's a rubber bushing on top right there. So if anybody knows what that is, let me know. At least I got it out of the river. I just found this piece of glass right here. It's not too heavy. A little bit older. And then this piece of square glass. Let's see if we can get any distinguishing marks on it. Clean it up a little. Set that little one down. Nope. No idea what it is. I spotted this one and I decided it looked like it was man-made. And it's a piece of pottery or crockery, or whatever you want to call it. That's the rim. And then that's the inside. Some thick. Not sure how old it is, but knowing this area, it's most likely 1800s. Just spotted that green glass right there. Looks like a top of a bottle. It's got pebbles stuck in it. Oh, it's thick. Not sure how old that is, but it's really uneven in its thickness. I'll go home and clean it up. See if I can figure what it is with minimal information and no marks on it, embossings. I've been here about a half hour and I didn't even see these guys here. We have a great blue heron and a couple of mallards. The mallards are preening themselves. And the mallards are, wait a minute. Boop. The mallards are right there and the heron is right there and you can see his reflection. Now this is the same exact area that I saw the mink running around last week. So it's a very diverse ecosystem. There's a lot of amphibians, mammals, including apex predators such as bear, coyote, humans, and of course all different kinds of waterfowl. There's crustaceans in here. I know I just saw a big claw somewhere, but if I find one, I'll pull it out and show you guys. So this looks like it's a pottery shard, but I'm really not sure. Let's see what it is. Yep, sure is. Clean it off real quick. Yeah. This isn't really crackled or anything, so I'm thinking it's probably early 1900s. I could be wrong. Been wrong before. Not sure what this is, but it's pretty big. Oh, wow. That's a crock or something. Let me see. Clear it off a little. The best time to come out and look for these things is after a storm. It's so thick, I'm wondering if it could be part of an old insulator. I don't know, it's pretty substantial. But then it looks like a plate. Or a lid to a crock, maybe? I don't know, your guess is as good as mine. This river is one of the prime trout fishing locations in the state of New Jersey. It's got an incredible, diverse ecosystem, extremely healthy, and as you can see how clear the water is, and this is after a torrential rainstorm last night. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I know I had a great time and I hope you saw something that you liked. If there's anything that you know about in the video that I'm not sure about, comment below. Also, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and that you like and share my videos. Thanks.